So far we have learned how to send fetch requests to OpenAI API, as well as we have learned how to stringify a JSON and pass the response in JSON format. But this is a repeated task in case we have many API requests, and in order to remove this tedious task, we have a HTTP client library called Axios, and we will learn how to use that in our application in order to remove this tedious task. So on the Axios official website, you can see axios-http.com and you can see the docs. Over here, you will see that it says that it is a promise based HTTP client for Node.js and the browser as well. Also, it is isomorphic, means that it can run on the client side as well as on the server side. Also, there are many features that we need. One of them is automatic request body serialization to JSON format, as well as multi-part form data and URL encoded form. This is the most important issue that we are facing right now using fetch. So we will be using Axios mainly for this reason in our application. Also, there are many more features, such as you can intercept request as well as response to send repeated data, such as authentication and other configuration HTTP headers. It supports timeouts, cancel requests, rate limitation, timing limitation, setting bandwidth limits for Node.js, and lot of things. But our focus is mostly over here. So let's proceed with the first step, that is installation of Axios in our application. We'll be copying this command, and in our application terminal we'll paste this and click on install. So once this is installed, you can confirm the installation by going to package.json, and you will see the entry for Axios over here. With this, we are done with this section, and in the next section we will be learning how to create the UI for our tweet generator, and after that we will be learning how you can create an API for the tweet generator in order to generate dynamic tweets. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.